Mala ka tiang wa che nyor ka dung din media ka chang jandang rau de bangwan ka pai jok karon kin de dang rau de jandang rau de bakel agan mak bangut gok dung din media be nu la kon la nu yen ni chang tin lat karo de re jinu be Sudan ken win mo no dien en wala ka chang jandang rau de bangwan ka pai jok ba da ke pure update la tu la re tot ba ro long ku security situation ka ko bu konte dan dan te security te kam ni ka kubu arai kon yo ni chang nu a kubu te ke reason wan de la nyu je ko de ko ra jode ko men yam jige te pai dak tin pai ke jien gwan ni ken u de karon pal pin gwa da ne chu putin so go ra de ni chang ko mu rai kon ko social media ba la ro situation wa ka kubu wedi almost on daily basis so wal ba rai ke security ta na to ko je men yam me wo je te ko kore cha ter ko ni ndang ra te pai wo kore mo a coordinated attack mi cha mat murlen ala jabe kel ka bar la nyak element ke de ko ne ja mobilize ti cha nen ti ja mobilize re gai dor mi ala bi ji so te ji ben ala dam me non kur ka ko so chi be jien ka barak ni ken ja na ma ka ken ka 3 location what te ko ndi na putin ka border du Ethiopia so no one of the thing no update nyam in bagora jode bala ko mere ode situation na nante within and around a ko beton ta na to kam ni de tin to re de ken wo en SPDF na ante Yakubu ta ko ke bot tin ta na jelo ke re ka kubu enta men na tel mi cham ga ken can a frequent incident la rodian che ga deadly attack ta na la ka maka element de changa je ken so no a general security situation ke internal la within the town balab de rewde bawra jode bada kubu min dodian ne regaj ala governor of Jonglei State we can say de facto governor of Jonglei State yen ge me je waka kubu kon inde chana nen te ga nin yen wala wo we ga kubu ngumi je wa chip nin de te kon de janang ngai kon ta da ne yen ge ko plan de me wo gor wala dingu ba ora jo de te kon de yen ge te we ga kubu kan wo ja chip te no kan kana chip ke je pele di kana kubu future bar mo re ga yo lunjok betede so no balab de ndi odien en baga nuye ala episode finally men jok ene ke message mo bien go specific sub clan tu duel matot tu duel matega kubu ne to in broad ki chi yol chu bene chien do chu bene chien but chu ko wane ri chu ali chien pay but in pay but is very small section matot muterei akubu so no ba ora jode en message na nung ne chiem pay but ko in accident ngumu go ne ba la chien pay but as a specific and then ba ka take a file no one ba no ko store ba kubu kata na la to go la specific community specific sub plan la let me shame na la ge shame bu den tam and at the end the one miserable what problem with it so toro kan wan ko ne de no yela update la ki update today ti mo kon wo radian kel ta ga right quick security update ka ko bola men yam ko security jek ko displacement site ne kon ne dia ja displace ka ko chiga yen ka western side of Kibo River chiga wa station ka eastern side min more corridors of Ethiopia kwitiergo ngai kon ga area de aldo and most of the people chankani the area of Kobe ala old Kobe ko begdim no mangai kon a year lil warar. So strategic junction be suitable for fishing this time, suitable for postures. Ko da ok da galaktin. So jen gwaran ne kono wanda ko tin wan ngwa cha target this following 2 days. Cha target a group of Malaysia di jere ka ko jela ka kan ken jela PK ni ken ga de ken organization dien la assortment of murlen assortment of bar la nyak jabote ko ne cha mobilize ka beibor re gai ka wa pai weje me ba kul no wa ko kan ne yujien ka bara ka ko inside the town. You can now attack can do displacement side. In yin ko gal yin ko bedim yin ko lolwal chung to win yin man dor shwal wujin. So those are the locations they attack. Kel pan murlen je take fatalities in one jagana to go the to area. And I know a major or a lot that we can say security of our people, addition to the need to push into the hostile environment, go now take what metal shelters, medical need, water supplies, food for individual family. Tin contain disadvantages. Tin work. Today along with me, we need to contribute, we need to advocate. As a community, as individual, as a group, ko ba ne kon ba problem dien ba resolve by enemy. And the Cherkeno is all about the security update. Up to today, going to call nothing. The tell incident of a donkey attack from anywhere, donkey bed. People are still in their position, can displacement side around the area of Tiergon. When we come to number 2, la situation within and around the Kobuton center. So there are many problems. The inanite Kobuton as well was talk assortment or Malaysia to our all basic interests. Thanking a young corn, Wamuno yo, to a lurin. Now, the battlefield, the reality of the battle, George. So, of course, the Korean Terrican. The Korean Terrican go can attack, one of the large attack. So, major can cruelty of environment. Go tell native okay? Tell a guard, tell a man, tell a civil population, many regular intermingle, okay? Don't they will tell me on the top. Telekum supply with food. There are one, as we know, the shortage of food is fairly. Kogwaja deploy to be a meeting when there are people there. Come and tell an answer, it's up to you to bear with it. So, we can talk of their deployment, who share somewhat significant. Can Kurum Nuken, Iraq, you cannot be deployed, can deck metal quan. Most of them do all already in Changanere Garden. So what we will see in the coming future will be scattered. Their composition will allow the same. Iraq, Kakubu. Melodian Kuku pays Iraq, it will take isolated cases. Take a money, the Layan, Yen areas to contact in. The one we know all the areas, we cannot talk about their name. In content cha Kobuton tinja surrounded. So we still loving our people there to let activity in there. So NATO big barrack they reach up to the point of Bogan Nikamarcus. So it's up to them who they can attack, they can kill anyone they see around. So it again incident they can have around one carol. So this incident could develop. Okay, me pit. So me on the security and within the town is stable. On the top of that, civil population, more than a jar, Tramchin Lunjok, Yulwinka Coop. So now internal security within the town era ka ko. Number 3, malab de diodian ne ban right kata na ne chijien kere gaj. Waka ko bu je kon dang die. Je lu njogo entame. What is the tangible achievement? Kata da ne je waja ko bu ni de kon jawa ti jawa tim. In connection with this original mission, we will go to Akubu. Taban right ne several locations. Alar ne ko rega me we ka Akubu. Number 1, be won ko civil population. Ne la chap kon la chap logo they are displaced ka Akubu town ko lo jok. Ko lo erak ka Akubu. That was one of the mission ne we. We are all which for long water Canada long mobilized to build Akubu in a big number. So Michigan no konang di day wa Akubu. Chad all one check hill with many people. So bigger band with different faces. While big large din, big large din. That means the resolution of the meeting we take a action point to the could followed. So we don't know totally mission there. Chakan she mission me michigwa ko ne te kon la do lo yaken ge ji na ba na olong ba ga ju bia ka Akubu based on ta na la do le keke. As we say when ne la ro group me wala won yen go ka tier go ru bu ru yo ben. So the group me constant with our contact. On the top of that, quarter conte la traditional leaders shike chief the paramount chieftain the chieftain the executive chieftain the conte she allies ke queen nyale wala queen makwai teacher system of SPLM mayu teacher device teacher waka Akubu te do kere gai kok. As we see their number the least da nature kamrar commissioner of Akubu county ni John yu algar ko ni John yu alur cham kwai Taka suspend. So now, as we speak, people take a process of selecting leaders. Tiba local government leaders ba select, but foreign leaders they go bong they con based on it they con they the fact ba replace with people. So no more process not as pela mayu. We will go ne they con ni will go Akubu kere guy. They take a lin kale. Can they tell the representative? So there are consequences to quarter for then again. Kurum no can last individual. Kuya got can jam moi now tin content ko associate the community. So it's up to the corner of Gandhi can be a lot of open our Akubu, kitchen Akubu. We don't know mission of all the meeting. La pay. To tell achievement rejected. Mindodian regard me wege. We want another political projector. Menan and Taka Akubu, they change completely. That has my influence, they delete. So Megor Medan a reinstatement of the former official, Ladis Grantal, they look we all Lucham Kwai. They charge my which are support for one or another reason. So can they go to Nunial? You took a quit Makwai, quit controversial, which are watch officially. As well my done equip pertaining more member. So me table lojok with all interest now we see quit Jalaret. Tributo Kumalwal. So when you do an interest of regard, you can hold the disgranted in the contechi yen tin content nagaje, lang right there. And desperate to go let Pakarolga Akubu, Pagamad in the name of SPLM, IG, supporting self-care. And then people will live in fear under that constant threat. Maybe yengake. So jen planned. Minna madane go rather wallet. So no chatal backing. The backing ka people. Who can they con on a world can individuals. They con take abandon and they can and why run tell by the milling. So we can call their name individuals can they con it a carriage. They don't get it with a lot gone into content key position ka kuma Akubu. So may it work regard the appointment me artificial chairman as they contain are very close to him. You know their name. The two directing, the candidate, the point. Despite they call it a coup, but they could fight within. They can name what a guy never recognize, which is one of the classical example. You will go on and tell a miller talk to the Alcon like a guy, no matter if he permits, make the corner like a legend. Katana and Lelage. So, no, a kell that we can say it to Gargai with a cube, tell me a sheep. Can a go love an alloy or can a sheep? Can a go love a political trajectory? Be change, Kakubu. Very few, she had to corner on, including the police structure, including the commissioner, including the new call by the commissioner, la de facto commissioner. Go in a Lundi, they want to contain Chaway. They will have no basis. Go very stable, Kakubu. One, environment is very hostile, and people will still be one who make contact with them. We feel isolated. So the security will grows. Which means kume spell mayu nan the kel gechap. Michel is all about the guy Michel Kakubu. As we talk about two. Red Coon and Goro now knowing is you fail. Second, Goro order a political landscape. Kakubu which change Kaspella Mayu, I mean Kaspella Maji, Chamot Chapel. In the future, as we said, Ewan and Akubu was the end of the people of Akubu. Then the corner of one bit of Akubu. Long government can security bar maintained within the Akubu town. But at time, very soon the situation then is not desirable even for themselves. Akubu Loikijike in Kondala law. So we can talk about it another episode ko Akubu Loika Kolo Akubudi when the time comes. So Taro Grindi Alokon about visiting of Dr. Gaj, addition to project Medan Nature Design, Kel Kanejaban, Kabar. So it's still at work. That we always say we major worker Michael Bijibich, Greater Pibor administrative area. Jabar Kel Kanejaban Jagamat. So Jabar Jagapur Miss Kelan of Akubu, as we always talk about it. Akubu, the historic right on it. So Namajabar project as a mission that brought them to Akubu. Jajaban Yagajo livestock, con Lanyan law, Shago Ken. So we feel vulnerable where Michigan put it. So we are disturbed, we'll bring them back. So the real talk and the container of which you know, Kaje. So these are all about a guy. Finally, we come to the message in our work, a specific sub-clan. We're going to issue a shame paper. We talk about their background briefly, go on that. Extension of our talk, issue new of number one. To talk by today, Akubu. There were a group of people, with their belonging, Waken, Yen Gatirgo. Chagalat Katiagni, the one we know Tiagni. Chagadiri, Akola Radian, Kanatom Boot, Labundaro. So, yeah, Sean Gapok. Based on the observation in the other content, one Changaja work at Chimpay. Chimpay again to what I call Akubu. Teragagat, Telegaman, Lakin Kawun, including elders. So did Chimpay. So, what I got Akubu in Fritago work on there, Garanya Queen Yaleo. So that is the center. The center of one and never already, you move all our Chimpay. And Kunel are one and in the future, they will refer to it, which I call that. Taban, we know the story about Akubu. She need a college of Akubu to call specific knowledge about it. So we cannot talk about it work, similar to Menana talk with Chimpay. One of the classical examples, Edwin Chingwell year, Katimis is Taban Juch, a Taban in Malwar. That is a very living story that we can refer to. Which is specific community, sub-twi, which are on and community wako be threat. So let us refer to show well here, because support la nature kambur we alta banjuch. So as we say, one and shimpe and ka kuba, in fact, I go work on a garanya lew. Katok, kuba by you at my 918. And the same situation as we compare it with Thailand, it take a young well year or Taban Yen Malwan will happen. To shimpe the corner to core with Nalao Bilio. Because you cannot say, oh, shimpage. You doing a job. You doing a shimbut alone, forget about change, you'll forget about the job. So the time will come. For you go back or Baterka Kubu, but Shimping one Bangaka Kubu. And when there is a loose, can I contra Kubu? Because Shimping. In general, Naga did, Naga Wan, Naga Mon Dongba Durakan Rabanang later. Kakai. So now you're going to one of the example. We talk of Shewell, which you were here, Medan Jaganya, and Jakon, Gorgan in Malwan. A deal which maybe Ganya Labilio. So we see the consequence. So tell me, you're Garan, she well, me take one and Taban Juche, let her long. You give some example, don't be shar donkelat. By you know, can she well there? You tell me like Jalaria, yes. By you know, to me the Rene. You're not going to long. And of course, you're not going to well long to protect him. So may occur and I tell me your sheep. You what you want to do the same like Tana and Shimpage. Because you will not imagine go Shimpage alone can fight. No matter any support, I come on Garnale. Kaka a suicide. And that we say in the future, are a Parakan, Katanan, in Tagalatko and Nature Control, and it is a living story that we have all the explanation good book in. Make entire level. So we advise Shimpage. We shimpe dagger strength. There a duck. Kamor cocaine, Kaloro ken, Gajato ken. So they dagger stay like any person. The Garniala, they go one of the person. Mishi Lanidore, a legend, the same like individual upon Jindoro ken. She have an angle do. So right more, you know, down to the shimpe that we mention go a specific community, a town down a layer order. So the other dog can right con Jordan Wally. Chairman would want to pay Diok, a town down a talk with you. When them is secure update about a Kobo Chakaroy Pide, but I would secure update, Ton, Larega Kobo. And Jordan, a town down you were a guy called Kobo who make a wallet. Tell me what you think, Japan. And one day in the messy land near work specific community. Which are the same paper. Our regular opinion. Tarok and a condom and Tang Magadung did media, but it gets our war.